So you might be in this random situation where your Samsung phone is continually just being stuck on this one UI update panel. So maybe every time you look at your phone or every time you pick it up, it just keeps going in this perpetual loop. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend keeping in mind is that sometimes it can take a while for your Samsung phone to go ahead and finish updating. So it might actually have like a proper update. What you might have to do here is to just go through and just let your phone just kind of sit there and update. That's pretty much the only thing you can do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing. So plug in your phone, grab a charger, plug your device in, and just let your phone just sit there and fully charge up. You would be surprised how often that can just kind of end up fixing the problem, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So let your phone completely, be fixed in this particular situation, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't end up working or anything like that, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure your phone is charged up. And once again, if it goes through and continuously reboots, I would recommend finding the proper protocol. Like after letting your phone sit there for like a couple hours or an hour or two, finding the correct protocol of putting your phone in the recovery mode. So there's a button way of putting each Samsung phone in some sort of recovery mode. So I'd recommend going through, clicking the buttons that normally would let you do that. And that is another very important thing I'd recommend for you to do too. So once you do that, that will probably end up fixing the problem, hopefully for a lot of people. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.